Mawlai. Once again, down to the left. Tajid Lang there. Crossed into the box. Could this be? Ball still not out of danger. Remark there with the ball. Takes a shot! And that is the first goal of the match. Mawlai SC breaking the lock, the deadlock, and that it is that man there, Tonlad, being through with the goal. 1-0 to Mawlai SC. It's a beautiful cross into the box, and Tonlad waiting there. Just about gets the better of the goalkeeper, heads it, and no chance for KYC. Now we're into extra time in this first half, and it'll be 1 minute added on. Chance here, a lot of chaos in the box. Takes a shot, and yes, they get the equalizer. KYC, they level the match. 1-1 now, here at the SSA Stadium. Wonderful corner and beautifully slotted to the back of the net. It's all level here, but Mawlai, they still have that 1-goal advantage. KYC making a comeback and making a comeback like at the very last minute of the first half. A lot of chaos in the box, and Manning Star finds his opportunity and slots it into the back of the net.